Denzel flies in for the rebound.
Are we talking about food? I don't know what. Yeah, we're not Washington. I know what you're. Big Rotary. You live near that? We're neighbors. Boston's like 5 behind Star Market.
Good D by David Fishman. I did not get it on camera, but Johnny knocks it right back out.
There's like Auburndale, like market. Wait, there's a park, there's a basketball court. Really? Down the street? Yeah, my friend played that. Well, why don't we play that?
Denzel gets a nice move inside. Denzel just looks frustrated.
11-5.
He just wants it to end.
Right, both. On the border. That's all. Yeah, I know. I got something to tell you. You won't be funny. I'm straight out of the blue. Said I was there, but not the same motherfucker that's gonna be the dude. Now I'm yelling, I can't hear you. Then they tell me get tickets to the next show. Hell no. Now that I'm a fly guy, and I fly high. Energy, come on, energy. Let's go, Kenny. Let's go, Kenny.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the MVP from the last tournament.
Oh wow.
Here in presence. What up, Murphy?
What's up, man?
What? Oh my God.
Andy, ball coming at you.
You can't call everything. That's a top call.
That was a nice move. Whenever Denzel makes a nice play, he just gets more mad. Great block by Johnny, but way to get it back. Gotta make that one. Cannot.
No, he just got it. We've been here I totally forgot all about it. It wasn't for any second group about T-minus 35. I was on my way home from last night.
Yeah.
Nice move by Johnny. David, what's the score?
It is 6-12.
All right. Just 3 more points and this tournament is over. If you can't tell, folks, it's been a long day.
A lot of times we didn't have them. This is the captain for Johnny, Corey, myself, we did like
Take it, Will.
we did a randomizer. We like did a randomizer. So I picked up the first place, and he picked the first overall. I had the second one, I picked first overall. Second overall was Corey. We got
Good strip by Denzel.
and then Johnny made Johnny stole my card. My guy got the wrong thing. Fish is under blue, he's got a haircut. So we gotta watch out for that.
12-6.
No, like going with the haircut.
Oh, that 14.
14-6.
Game point. Tournament point, folks. This could be it. The #1 seed going for the victory. Kenny not giving up. 14-7.
14-7. Any more time out?
Enough coming.
We got one bigger guy, but a double. That being said, I lost. You what about it? Really good time. That's Ernie. There we go, Johnny.
Oh. Well, Mama looking to finish it now, and that'll be the game and the tournament.
Was that a bit of a wraparound? Is that what you're thinking? It kind of looked like one to me.
Like held you back? Let's get some post game, folks.
This is
Denzel, talk to the camera.
Too easy.
Fishman.
Denzel and Mama for carrying the team. Beautiful picks. Thank you.
Congrats, champ.
I had that one coming a lot.
Congrats. What's up? How are you, Mama?
Oh, Mama, talk to me. How you feel?
I want to go home and eat.
You had a solid 4 hours of basketball today. Ended in a victory. Gotta feel good, right?
It was cardio.
Nick, it was physical,
I'm sure you lost like 15 pounds today.
I hope so.
Denzel ran over and kicked Kenny's chair.
But that's not going to happen. I'm going to go home and get all of that back.
Will, how are you feeling, man?
Exactly. No, win or lose, we're both going home and eat. So.
Fair enough. Anyone want to sign it off? Kenny, it's your YouTube channel. I think that's the best way to sign it off right there. We're all tired. We're going home.
What a tourney. What a tourney.
We'll see you next time, folks.
Very competitive. Very competitive.
I think Kenny will edit. I think Kenny can edit.
Yeah, I'll try. I have no idea.